So ever since I moved out to the Ozarks, I wanted to get a driveway alarm, my driveway is about a quarter mile, maybe a little bit longer. And it'd be nice to know, like, if a delivery trucks or if anybody else is coming. That way, I can put my clothes on and go out and meet them. But anyway, I found a driveway alarm on a Black Friday or Cyber Monday special on Amazon, and I picked it up. It's this eMACROS half-mile driveway alarm, and so I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to tell you how it goes. Tonight I'm going to see what's in the box and kind of read the manual, and then tomorrow I'll probably go out there and set it up. So let's see what's in the box. Ooh, got a letter from them. That's great. And then this is the packaging. This looks like the receiver that goes inside the house. It looks like you can have up to 4 alarms here with different ringers. And this thing runs on 4 AA batteries. It's got a little mounting hole here. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. And this is probably a transmitter in the detector. Let's see, so we have a USB power plug adapter, a USB cable. It's just a regular old micro USB. You got some mounting hardware, and this is the alarm. Now, the reason I got this alarm is that it's solar powered. I don't want to have to go out there and change the batteries very frequently, so this one has a smaller solar panel on top, and I guess it'll keep this unit charged. I need an initial charge though. Yeah. So I haven't read the manual yet, but it looks like here is where you program the channel. There's some charging port here for the initial charge, and then this is probably the transmission strength. So that looks pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and let it charge, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go set it up, and I'll show you how that goes. So it's been a couple of days now. Elliot ran through here, made a big mess of everything, so that kind of delayed me installing the driveway alarm. But I'm definitely gonna install it today, and I had a chance to read the manual and get a little bit more familiar with the unit. I want to tell you about a couple other things that I found. So when I unboxed this unit, I made a comment regarding the high and low here next to off, and that's not actually the emitter strength. That's actually like how sensitive the alarm is. So if you put it on high, it'll be super sensitive. If you put it on low, it'll be less sensitive. And I did let this unit charge, so it should be all good to go. And one of the things that I found about this unit too that is kind of cool is, so first of all, there's a micro USB plug here, so you can actually run this straight from your outlet. And it has a couple of controls here, so you can turn the volume down, you can turn the volume up, and you can turn this unit on or off. And like I mentioned before, it does have these batteries here, so if the power goes out, the unit will still work, which I think is a pretty cool feature. So I was able to test this thing, and if I change it to high, if I turn this unit on and put it on high, you can see that there's a ring over here. And if I wipe my hand around it, it triggers again. So I think this thing is pretty much good to go. I'm going to go take the receiver, I'm going to put it in my house, and then I'm going to walk this thing over on my driveway, and then we're going to find a good spot for it. And so just for perspective, I'm sitting on my porch now, and this is how far my driveway is. So it goes down over there, and then once you see that power pole, it kind of like dips down. So there's like a little hill down there. So I'm gonna try to put the alarm around there somewhere. If I can get it down the hill, that'll be great. But if not, at least it'll be over there by the gate somewhere. So I took the walk down the property, and basically my wife had her cell phone turned on a speakerphone next to the receiver indoors, and I just flip this unit on every once in a while to see if I can hear it on my phone. I'm pretty happy with this thing. I was able to walk not only through my driveway and then down the hill, but then also up the hill and down to my mailbox. So now just to give you guys a sense of, I'm standing here by the county road. And you can even see my driveway from here. Basically, down over there, if you make a left turn, you'll go up the hill and you'll be at my driveway. I'm going to let this unit run for a little bit, and then I'll probably bust up a follow-up to let you guys know how it is. If you want to find this unit, I'll put a link to it in the description. Thank you.